What's up, guys? So we've got a E123 error code, and if you have a look, the second display that says E123, then it goes to A018. So it's actually telling us on which Indo unit we've got that error code, and that's address number 18 or 018. So let me show you how you can easily identify which Indo unit has a problem or is defective, or whatever problem you might have on that Indo. So let's just close this panel. So right now we're at the master condenser, and that was on the main PC board. It's display segments that shows us which Indo unit actually has that error code. So let's go ahead and close up here, and then I'll show you guys how we identified which Indo unit it is. This system has got a total of 14 Indo units and 3 mode control units. So real simple, we connect and you go to your Indo unit data, there 18Es, and if we have a look, we can see, let me put the flash off, you can see that right on top you got room temperature, evaporator in and evaporator out. Come down, that evaporator out temperature is 70 degrees Celsius. So easy way to identify where that unit is, go to your controller. So right there on the top we've got controller, we come across and we select address over here, says it there, address number 18. We switch that unit on and then we listen for where that Indo is. Alright, so let's go ahead and have a look. Alright, so let's have a look at the circuit diagram here of the Indo unit, and we can see right there that connector CN413 that our EVA in and EVA out is connected there, and that says it's a 10K resistor or sensor, which is effectively just a resistor. Every resistors have temperature tolerances, but yeah, that 10K would obviously be at a fixed temperature, so please make sure that you guys actually, when you test sensors, have a look at your ambient and have a look at the chart, what the manufacturer says that sensor needs to that sensor value needs to be at that respective temperature. So at 10 degrees your sensor value will be completely different to 25 degrees. So alright, we'll have a look and check. Alright, so we've identified our faulty unit. We've got the 2 sensors right here, and in most cases, guys, we have done a follow-up on the life expectancy of these sensors. The reason they fail prematurely in most cases, not all, but in most cases, are voltage issues. So it's voltage related problems, so voltage spikes, those kind of things, because you'll notice that it's always the pipe sensors, the one with the copper end, that ends up being damaged. So that's why these sensors fail so often. But we're gonna go ahead and replace this sensor, and that should be that. We've got a few of these as spare sensors in the van, so the site also has their own stock, just because we've replaced quite a few of them. Alright, some rust starting to spread on this evaporator over here on both ends. This unit's not even that old. Anyway, alright, we'll replace that sensor, then we'll have another look at the service checker to confirm that everything is now 100% and the repair is solid. Look at this. Alright, so the repair is done, so we're going to come over and have a look at our service checker and take it from there. See, Look at this guy. Oh. Alright, so let me go ahead and sign in and alright, let's have a look. Okay, let's close all of that. And if we go across to unit 18, we can see evap in and out. Those temperatures are looking a lot better. Alright, so it looks like the repair was good. We had an additional sensor added to that, so we should actually get that discharge temperature now, since that was an under sealing. But yeah, there you can see 22 degrees. Cool. Let's switch that unit on, confirm there's no faults on it. Alright, and you can hear the condenser start up. Master and slave. That's the master condenser, that's the slave condenser right there. Alright. And here's one of the central units we linked up over here on the F1, F2 communication cable. So we are good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.